Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best wireless mechanical keyboards.
Starting at number 5.
SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless is the best wireless gaming keyboard. This mechanical keyboard is a powerhouse with exceptionally low latency, solid build quality, and your choice of wireless connectivity options. You can connect with the USB receiver when you need the lowest latency or via Bluetooth to save power or connect to multiple devices. You can also use it wired while it's charging, and the battery will last between 30 to 40 hours, depending on how you use it. Its compact size leaves plenty of space for sweeping mouse movements on your desk. But its most exciting feature is the ability to adjust the individual pre-travel distance of each key to suit your preferences. You can increase the pre-travel on any keys you're constantly hitting accidentally or decrease the pre-travel on your WASD cluster for ultra-sensitive movement controls. You can also set multiple profiles for different games or a default setting for typing, allowing for a great range in how you use it. You can make all these changes using the companion software, which you can also use to adjust RGB lighting, reassign keys, and set custom macros, letting you completely customize your gaming experience.
Coming at number 4.
Logitech K380 Multi. The Logitech K380 is the best cheap wireless keyboard you can find. It's a popular model among students and on-the-go professionals thanks to its small footprint and thin profile. Logitech recently released a newer version of this keyboard under slightly different branding, called the Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380S, so you might see it while you're shopping. We haven't reviewed this new model yet, but it makes minor improvements, most notably with advertised battery life. You can see a statement from Logitech about the difference between these models here. It's worth considering the newer model if you find both for the same price. This is a keyboard you can easily slip into laptop bags or backpacks, and it's a good match for tight workspaces while still leaving you enough room for your mouse and a coffee. You can pair it with up to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth, making it a great choice if your mobile setup includes your phone, tablet, or laptop. While this keyboard feels similar to typing on a laptop, typing can feel cramped due to the smaller-than-average keycaps. That said, the keycaps have a circular shape, which means there's enough space between them to help you differentiate between keys with a little practice. If you need a cheap wireless unit with a numpad for data entry, we recommend the Microsoft Bluetooth keyboard. While this keyboard can only connect with one device at a time, it feels well built and sturdy for a cheap keyboard, and it's a good value if you need the full-size layout. Its price tends to fluctuate, so it's best to purchase it on sale for about half its average price.
At number 3.
Logitech Signature K650. Wireless keyboards tend to come at a higher price than wired models, but you can still find good units on a budget, like the Logitech Signature K650. Thanks to its built-in wrist rest and multiple incline settings, you'll be comfortable typing all day. It also has deep-set keys that are easy to reach without tilting your wrists upwards. Another benefit of this design is that the deep-set keys completely cover the switches, exposing no moving parts and offering added protection from crumbs or small spills. As it's a budget model, it lacks some additional features, including backlighting, support for multi-device pairing, and a rechargeable battery, but it makes up for it. Instead, it has a row of media control keys along the top and 2 AA batteries for power that last for up to 36 months before you need to swap them out. You can connect this keyboard to your computer with Bluetooth or use the included Logitech USB receiver to connect with select Logitech mice simultaneously.
Number 2 of my list.
Keychron K10. At a lower mid-range price point, we recommend the Keychron K10. This full-size mechanical unit boasts an excellent typing experience that feels and sounds pleasant to type on right out of the box. It lacks a USB receiver and only connects with Bluetooth, but it supports pairing with up to 3 devices simultaneously. You can also use it wired while it charges, but since its battery life stretches between 70 to 240 hours, depending on your backlighting settings, you won't need to do that very frequently. While we recommend the full-size model here, All models in the Keychron K series are great choices. This series consists of wireless mechanical keyboards in all configurations, from the compact, low-profile Keyron K10 to the 10-keyless Keychron K10. You'll find a size and style that best suits your setup. Every Keychron board has a compatibility toggle on the top to switch between Windows and Mac OS. They come with additional system-specific keycaps, so you won't have to remember where the modifier keys are if you tend to switch systems.
And number 1.
Razer Pro Type. Of the nearly 215 keyboards we've tested, we recommend the Razer Pro Type Ultra as the best wireless keyboard for most people. It may look like a straightforward office model with an Apple-inspired white and chrome aesthetic. However, it's a surprisingly versatile mechanical keyboard suitable for productivity, everyday browsing, and competitive gaming. It also offers impressive ergonomic features with 2 adjustable typing angles and an included wrist rest. It isn't lacking in connectivity options either. It comes with a Razer productivity dongle that you can pair with select Razer mice, like the Razer Pro Click or its smaller counterpart, the Razer Pro Click Mini. You can also pair it with up to 3 devices simultaneously with Bluetooth. If there's a downside, it's that this keyboard doesn't come in a variety of switch options, and its full-size form factor means it may take up too much space on small desks. If you're looking for a similar alternative, check out the Logitech G715, another sleek-looking wireless model in a more compact size. It's typically about the same price and comes in linear, tactile, or clicky switch varieties. It also includes a unique cloud-shaped wrist rest and full RGB lighting, while the Razer has white-only backlighting. That said, it doesn't support Bluetooth connectivity, and the typing quality on the Razer feels better overall.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.